Hi again. So I'm just going to show you how we're doing the middle piece by blending the second colour into the first. And as you can see, I've gone around in a circle, so the outside is fairly uniform, but the inside, again, we've taken smaller and longer stitches. Partly that's because we're actually working in a circle, so we can't take the same amount of stitches all the way around. That wouldn't work. But what it means is that we get slightly bolder areas, and that's where we're going to be blending in the next colour. So rather than taking the stitch up and meeting the end of the existing stitch, we're actually going to take the needle up and go between the stitches, and in that way hopefully we won't be left with any bald patches. And again, we're doing different length stitches as well, and all will be well because we're actually, sorry, I'm just working on the piece that obviously has the screw there. We will be adding a third highlight colour in, which from the selection of colours I'm using will be a lighter colour. So you can see we've got a bald patch here, so I'm going to take the stitch right up beyond and in between the existing stitches. There we go. So we've finished that second colour now, and I'm just going to secure in the tail by running it into the back. Usually 3 times will do the job. I'm snipping that tail off. Okay, so that's our second colour, and now I'll go back in with a highlight colour. So now I've chosen a golden yellow, and now I'm just going to find any bolder patches and add in a longer or a shorter stitch, as the case may be, perhaps paying more attention to sorting out the even space in the middle, albeit that's really about your own perfection, because it's really not going to be seen that well once we've accomplished our beading or French knotting in the middle, whichever you fancy. So it's a little bit bolder on the centre there. And there we have the completed highlighting stitch. So we've got 3 colours, a lighter, a darker, and then a rich gold, just to add a little bit of highlight. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish this outer ring and then come back to you for the beading.